Hi, I'm Martha Rodriguez, and welcome to my professional portfolio. This site reflects everything I have learned this semester in the iTech 3100 course. Each tab highlights tools and lessons that I've designed and explored. They have helped me plan lessons and activities using technology in meaningful ways. One artifact that I'm really proud of this semester is my frog life cycle lesson, which is found under the Tools for Communication and Collaboration tab on my Weebly page. I used Padlet to design a lesson where students can interact in an easy step-by-step process. I incorporated tools that could help students respond with drawings and responses. Padlet allowed me to add games and quizzes to help assess my students' learning. This activity helped me see how digital tools can promote collaboration and creativity using different standards. One of the most challenging artifacts I had to create this semester was my Google Slide HyperDoc lesson for digital learning. It required a lot of different components and details. I used different elements such as audios, videos, embedded tools, and clear expectations for students. I had to think about how students would engage, explain, explore, and apply in the lesson. I also had to make sure it flowed well. Although it was a very challenging artifact to design, I learned how I can create a well-structured online blended learning lesson for those needed days. The lesson I'm most likely to use in my future classroom is my Nearpod lesson on solving multiplication facts using different strategies such as arrays. This lesson includes interactive practice, sorting activities, polls, and drag and drop options. It made me feel more engaging, and I like that I was able to add in a mix of games and drawing options for responses. I was also able to add my own audio to help support students who need read aloud support and English language learners. One practice that I enjoyed creating and I'll carry forward is using podcasts and audio to support all learners. By creating podcasts, students can listen from anywhere. It's an easy way for teachers to engage with students and offer preview lesson activities through podcasts. Tools like this can help strengthen communication, collaboration, engagement, and promote active learning in class and at home.